Hey everybody! What we've got for you today is this handy dandy grill, and it's filthy. Looks like it's never been washed. It says call customer service, but I don't think they're gonna take care of that for us. We're gonna have to do this ourselves. Whirlpool washing machine. I don't know if it's gonna fit in there, but we're gonna try. Solution? Bobcat T550. Come on, let's go. That's done been squashed. Bad news, folks. I don't think this is gonna work. And we found out the whirlpool's broken too. Let's smash them both! Let's have a look at that. Oh man, I don't know which one was the washing machine and which one was the grill. Look at that washing machine. Woo! I think that was the outside. Well, look at that. The drum is just plastic. Busted into a zillion pieces. Looky there. Wheel. You do not want one of these machines running you over. That's what makes the washing machine go. Not anymore. You're gonna have to fix those gyro specs on the rotary girders. Oh man, look at this. Dude, that's the tub. Rub it up tub. This tub's done. Oh, the belt's intact. We're still good on the belt. We salvaged that thing. The grill, we can still cook on that one. Off to the scrapyard. Woo! Stuff's done been crushed. crushed it. Let us know what we can crush next. For now, signing off.